Hello all you Sparshas out there, I'm a Sparshas Sparshas, and today we're back with Undertale. And now, in the Scrape Papyrus Sans is in. What's up, you two? And Toriel's asleep. Okay, well, we need a tutorial for this. Oh my god. So, last time we left off, we almost got caught by Papyrus, no, by Undyne, the new character we just met. Look at this, we didn't do that. With our bridge seeds aligned in the water, they will sprout. Okay. I love how I carry it on my head. It's so cute. Oh. Aaron flexes in. Okay, I'll flex with you. You flex. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increases for you too. Flexing contest? Okay, flex more. Aaron is ready for the next flex. You flex harder. Aaron flexes thrice as hard. Attack increases for you too. Nice, I will lose though. Aaron is ready for the next flex. He flex. Aaron flexes very hard. Flexes himself out of the room. Oh. Okay. You failed the puzzle. Yay! If the narratives made the bell possible, bridge seeds back to where they started. Oh, that's clever. Hey, what's this? Oh, I can bring them over here. There's a lone quiche sitting underneath this bench. Will you take it? Sure. Got the abandoned quiche. Is that Sans making? I just wasn't ready for the responsibility. Sans. easy. It just dialed every number secretly until I got yours. Ain't every monster gonna be so mad at you right now? So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a banana. Is that true? Are you wearing a banana? No. So you aren't wearing a banana. Got it. You're my friend, so I trust you 100%. What did I say? I have to lie. I am just kind of scared of Undyne right now. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now, all I have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Wishing room. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. Come on, sis, make a wish. Oh. Washua shuffles up. Okay, I guess I'll clean you up. You ask Washer to clean you. He hops around the side. Tweet. Green means clean. Ooh, I got it done. Let me heal. Yeah, that's my healing. You look through the telescope? Whoa. Check the wall. It's beautiful. I wish my sister and I would see the real stars someday. Seems my horoscope is the same as last week's. So this wall. Woo! Ancient writing covers the walls. You could just make out the words. The war of humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed. It seemed that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster. Just to equal the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it is the strength of the soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body, even after death. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with a human soul. A horrible beast with unfathomable power. Yeah, I can speak. It's an illustration of a strange creature. There was something very unsettling about this drawing. Woohoo! It is fun! Oh, it got silent. That's unsettling. It just got silent. Oh! Oh no 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 no! Whoa 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 whoa! Oh no! Whoa whoa whoa! Undyne! Hey! We can talk this out! Huh? Go, 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 go! Ay, 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 ay! He grabbed him by the eye! Is he okay? He's one eye kid. He's an eye of a kid. Not kidding. Hey, you're okay. Okay, good. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. I'll never wash my face ever again. Ow, wow, wow. Man, are you unlucky? If you were just sitting just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see you again. This cheese has been here for so long, a magical crystal has grown over it. It's stuck to the table. Squeak! Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mystical crystal fills you with determination. Hi, Sans! I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's still only 5,000 gold to use this premium telescope. But since it's $1,000,000, you can use it for free. That's about it. Use this telescope? Yes! Am I saying blood cells or what? Huh? You weren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. Yeah. You clever! Oh, by the way, I think I have your quiche. Yeah, I have your quiche, by the way. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? Yes, I am a star. I'm that's just little. Sorry. Okay, but there's still no customers. Fortunately, I thought of a solution. Punch cards! Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them for a free ice cream. They're sure to get the customers to come back. Ice cream is the frozen treat that warms your heart. Oh, just 25 gold. Super, here you go. Your card's in the box. Frozen treat that warms your heart. I am going to, can I not? Alright. Unicycle. HP's maxed out. Ice cream is the frozen treat that warms your heart. Now just 25 gold. Super, here you go. Your card's in the box. Alright, thank you. I don't need the free ice cream. I just wanted more health. Ow! Hang on a second. There's something wrong with my mic. Okay, I'm back. Stupid. Some of these mics won't work. Wait, what's over there? Huh? Oh.
Hello, little ducky. You're so quackalicious. What? I don't know what I said. Yeah.
You heard a passing conversation. So, don't you have any wishes to make? You heard a passing conversation. Just one, but it's kind of stupid. Huh. You could just tell us. Oh. Walk in the sports mall. Hey! I miss you guys. I'm gonna spare you. I don't care if I get 0 gold. It's a pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it? You're carrying too much. I knew this was gonna happen. I don't use the tutu, so the old tutu was thrown away. Alright, I got ballet shoes. What do they do? Weapon attack 7. These shoes make you feel incredibly dangerous. No, I don't want to feel dangerous about the being the man. I don't know what I'm singing at the top of my lungs. Oh. Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know. The opinion of you is very murdery. Well, worry not, dear human. Papyrus will never betray you. You said you were not wearing a banana. So of course I actually told her you were indeed wearing a banana. It pained me to tell such a bold-faced lie. But since you aren't wearing a banana, she surely won't like it. No, you are safe and sound. I'm sorry. I just want to be everybody's friend. Aww! Oh. You're walking a small. Again. Yeah, I get to spare them. Today's such a beautiful day. You hear a passing conversation. Don't say that. Come on. I promise I won't laugh. The power to take their souls. This is the power that the humans feared. Oh. I've seen you know what for this, what's going down so far. I'm sorry, I had to. Oh. Aww.
Hey, there. Notice you were here. I'm Onion-san. Onion-san, you here? You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time, but... Hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in the crowded aquarium, like all my friends did. And the aquarium's full anyways, so even if I wanted to, That's okay, though. You hear? Undyne's gonna fix everything, you hear? I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean, you hear? Hey, there. That's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time. Hey, waterfall!
Bye, Onion-san. You're really good. You're a good friend. Whoa. Sharon hides in the corner, but somehow encounters you anyway. I'll give you a smile. You smile. You ask to see Sharon smile, too. Sharon gets quieter in the corner. Aaron nods. Aaron! Do you want to sing? Come on, let's sing. You hum a sad song. Sharon follows the melody. See way, see me, see me. Sharon seems much more comfortable singing along. I want to sing again. Come some more. Monsters are drawn to music. Suddenly, it's a concert. Si fa, sol, mi, re, re. Selling tickets made of toilet paper. Sons, what are you doing? You hum some more. The seats are sold out. You feel like a rock star. Mi, sol, mi, si, mi, lo, si, sol. The crowd tosses clothing. It's a storm of socks. You hum some more, but the constant attention, the tours, the groupies, it's all. Sharon thinks about her future. You and Sharon have come so far, but it's time. You both have your own journey to embark on. You hum a farewell song. Final one too. You won. That was a nice one. I like her. Whoa. A humming sound echoes down the corridor. Won't you play along? Only the first 8 are fine. What's this? Wait, play it. Sure. Okay, guess that's to have a meaning soon. The northern room hides a great treasure. I saw. piano. His power has no counter. Indeed, a human cannot take a monster's soul. When the monster dies, its soul disappears. An incredible power would be needed to take the soul of a living monster. There is only one exception. The soul of a special species of monster called the boss monster. Boss monster's soul is strong enough to resist after death. If only for a few moments. A human can absorb the soul. But this has never happened, and now it never will.
Oh,
It's a statue. The structures at its feet seem dry. Please take one. Take an umbrella? Sure. You took an umbrella. Here, are you wet? Put an umbrella on the statue. Alright, I think I got it. Dum 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 dum. Nope. Hang on a second. Let me try to figure this out. Okay. Let's see if I could do it. Dum 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 dum. Wait. Actually, hang on. Unfortunately, I couldn't find out how it goes. So, I'm sorry if I missed the treasure, but I don't think it's that important in my opinion. I think it's just gonna be something taken. Spoilers, I think. I guess I'll take another umbrella. Take an umbrella? Take one. You should get an umbrella. Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome! Let's go! Alright. Man, Undyne is so cool! She beats up bad guys and never loses! If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. What's that, Echo Flower? So, one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers. Oh, I didn't know you're that type of kid. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Wow. That is beautiful. That is so... Oh my goodness, I want to go there. Return the umbrella? Put back. You return the umbrella. Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Climb on my shoulders. Okay? Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through. Oh, so cute. Alright. The singing sound of a distant music box. It fills you with determination. The humans, afraid of our power, declared war on us. They attacked suddenly, without mercy. I hate that. In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful, and us monsters too weak. Not a single soul was taken, and countless monsters were turned to dust. So, yeah, I just want to say this game is really... This game is... Do you want me to shut? I'm dying again! Huh? Whoa, 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 whoa! What's over here? What's over here? Save Jackie Chan! Ha! Save Jackie Chan and stuff. Whoa! Nothing here. Come on. Undyne, please don't. You Undyne. No. Why? It sounds like it came out from over here. Oh, you've fallen down. Haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Bloomy, huh? That's a nice name. My name is... Well, that was expected, I think. Hey, cinnamon bunny. Cinnamon bunny? I thought it was a cinnamon bun, and now it's a cinnamon bunny? Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. Just garbage. Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. The waterfall here seems to flow from the ceiling of the cavern. Occasionally, a piece of trash will flow through and fall into the bottomless abyss below. Viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage fills you with determination. Gotta keep going. Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. You rest your hands on the rusted bike. Its horn wheezes a honk of despair. What the heck? Just garbage. What's this? A beat-up desktop computer. The inside is empty. Garbage. It's cooler. It has no brand, and shows no sign of wear. Inside there are a couple of freeze-dried space food bars. Take one? Sure. You got the astronaut food. It's a DVD case for anime. Desperate claws marks over covering the edges. Trash heap. Seems like a regular trash dummy. Training dummy. Do you want to beat it up? No. We stare into each other's eyes for a moment. Beautiful. Huh? Oh no! Do a dibble to fight me, huh? I'm a ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too, until you came along. When you talk to them, They thought they were in for a nice chat, but the things you said, horrible, shocking, unbelievable. It spooked them right out of their dummy. Human, I'll scare your soul out of your body. Mad Dummy blocks the way. Well, I guess we'll talk. You talk to the dummy. It doesn't seem much for a conversation. No one is happy with this. Futile. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ow, you dummies. Watch where you're aiming your magic attacks. Hey, you, forget I said anything about magic. My dummy is looking nervous. I'll defeat you and take your soul. Mad Dummy is doing an armless ska dance. I'll use your soul to cross the barrier. Mad Dummy is doing armless ska dance. I'll stand in the window of a fancy store. Love yourself, I love you. That everything I want will be mine. Oh! He's getting caught and all over the dialogue box. Huh? Yeah, I guess that'll avenge my cousin. That dummy's getting caught. Haha, you don't know the name! Huh? My dummy's getting caught. Whatever! Pitiful! Nope. Feeble! Hey guys! Dummies! Remember how I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures! You're fired! You're all being replaced! Oh. Now you see my true power. Relying on people that aren't shit. Mechanical whirs fill the room. Dummy bots! Magic missile! Whoa! Oh, I see what I could do. Miss. Awful. I got this. Almost got it. Dummy bot's final attack! Ow! No way. These guys are even worse than that other guys. Who cares? I don't need friends! Oh! I got knives! Whoa! I'm knives. But it doesn't matter! You can't hurt me and I can't hurt you. You'll be stuck fighting me! Forever! Oh my god. Oh. What the heck is this? Acid brain! Oh, forget it! I'm out of here!
Bye-bye.
Maps the Blue! Sorry, I interrupted you, didn't I? As soon as it came over, your friend immediately left. Oh no, you guys look like you're having nice fun. Oh no, I just wanted to say hi. Oh no. Well, I'm going to head home now. Oh, feel free to come with if you want. But no pressure. I understand if you're busy. It's fine. No worries. Just thought I'd over. I'm coming over. You know, a friend is there in need, and what the heck was that? That's his voice crack there. Hey, my house is up here, in case you want to see, or in case you don't. Ooh. You feel a calming tranquility. You're filled with determination. Oh, I'm visiting waterfall from the city. Synchronicity? My neighbor's daughter looks about your age. Her name is Susie. I feel like you two should be friends. You have a neighbor's blessing. North, Luke Acres, East Hotland, Temmie Village. Oh no, not Temmie. Actually, I think Temmie Village is okay. Oh, you really came. Sorry, I wasn't expecting that. It's not much, but make yourself at home. The CSD is labeled Spook Tunes. Play it? Yes. You're a music lover? Yes. I love music. This one's actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Spook Wave. Whoa. I love this one. Called Holiday Music. Play it. I get it. It's a spider web. There's a flyer for a big sale on it. Oh, are you hungry? I could get you something to eat. Yeah, I'm kind of hungry. This is a ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it? Sure. You attempt to bite into the ghost sandwich. You phase right through it. Oh, never mind. After a great meal, I like to lie on the ground and feel like garbage. It's a family tradition. Do you want to join me? Sure. Okay, follow my lead. Here we go. You lie down as long as you don't move. So, only move around when you want to get up, I guess. Is it just me or am I tripping? No, I am having fun. That was nice. Thank you. I'm not gonna lie, that was good. I'm gonna keep working on that mix CD. The computer's internet browser is open to a music sharing forum. So you are! So you are one of them. Oh, that's my TV. There's a show I like to watch on it sometimes. A show? Well, your place was nice. It's locked. You have nice friends, I'm not gonna lie. It's a snail. For some reason, you can't help but wonder what it tastes like. Oh, snail. Is that what snails said? A long journey extends in front of you. Snail. Reach for and stretch beyond the horizon. Snail. Samuel. Awkward. I'm working right now. I mean, welcome to Blue Family Snail Farm. Yeah, I'm the only employee. This place used to get a lot of business, but our main customer disappeared one day. Now it's just some hairy guy that shows up once a month. The snail is counting dollar bills. I've been long overdue for a second house. Oh. Okay. What's this? Do you want to play a game? It's called Thunder Snail. The snails will race, and if the yellow snail wins, you win. It's 10 gold to play. Sure. Okay. Press Z repeatedly to encourage your snail. Ready? 2, 1. Come on, you can do it! You can do it! Come on! Go Thunder Snail! You can go! Come on, you can do it! Come on! Race end. Oh, you both tried your best. The snail looks discouraged. The rest wasn't good enough. Oh. Oh well, I tried. I don't know if this is where I want to end, but I'll make sure. These box?
Yes.
I'm not gonna use the ballet shoes, so. Whoa there. Got some neat junk for sale. Crab apple.
CT, cloudy glasses.
Invincible longer. Ooh, I would like that. Thanks. Fine. I'll buy myself a crab apple. Thanks. Whoa there, cuz. Alright. Anything you wanna know? How about yourself? I've been around a long time. Maybe too long. Studying history sure is easy when you live through so much of it yourself. That album. You don't know what that is? What are they teaching you kids in school nowadays? That's the album of a kingdom. The kingdom of monsters. Great name, huh? It's as I would say. All came from bones, can't name for beans. Album's meaning. The album actually predates written history. The original meaning is lost to time. All we know is that the triangle symbolizes us monsters below. And the wing circle above symbolizes something else. Most people say it's an angel. A prophecy. Prophecy? Oh yeah, it's a prophecy. Legend has it, an angel is seen surface with the sun from above and bring us freedom. Lately, the people have been taking a bleaker outlook, calling that winged circle the angel of death. Our harbinger is Shabbat waiting to free us from this mortal realm. In my opinion, when I see that little circle, I just think it's neat. The king. King Fluffy Buns. Why do people call him that? He's a friendly, happy-go-lucky kind of guy. If you keep walking around long enough, you'll probably meet him. He loves to walk around and talk to people. What do I call Dreamer Fluffy Buns? Oh, that's a great story. I don't remember. But if you come back much later, I'm sure I'll have remembered by then. Bon Undine. Undine? Yeah, she's a local hero around here. With great determination, though, she fought her way to the top of the Royal Guard. Actually, she just came through here asking about someone who looked just like you. How about your back, kid? And buy some items. It might just save your hide. Be careful out there, kid. Thank you. Wait, what's down here? Huh, nothing. Mike's messing up again. Hurt, beaten, and fearful for our lives, we surrendered to the humans. 7 of the greatest magicians sealed us underground with the magic spell. Anything can enter through the seal, but only beings with a powerful soul can leave. There is only one way to reverse this spell. If a huge power, equivalent to the 7 human souls, attacks the barrier. it would be destroyed. I like the echo flowers in the background, but this cursed place has no entrances or exits. There is no way a human could come through here. We will remain trapped down here forever. Oh. Special enemy Temmie appears here to defeat you. Hi, Temmie. You flex at Temmie.
No, muscles are not cute.
Oh, I disagree.
No!
Just the two of us, huh? Oh my goodness. Aaron! I was gonna have a nice conversation. Flex. That's very hard. Bye-bye. That was unexpected. Whoa. You walk into Mall Small. Well, I could spare one of them. Sits motionless. I want to flirt. You wiggle your hips suddenly. Cool. Unhug. You don't hug. It appreciates the respect of its boundaries. Just a wiggle. With their presence. Thank you. There. Nothing here? Oh, I see, I see. Sweating bullets, literally. I gotta heal again. Bye-bye. Scrub a sub-sub. Ah! I want to clean you. I'll use the young glasses. Wait, what does that say? Without candles or matches to guide them home, the monsters use crystals to navigate. Yes, got one. No, I gotta go back. Yeah, I really gotta go back. Ay, ay, ay. No! My first death, come on! Well, shoot, be right back. Yep, send me over here. Oh, I don't have enough. Darn it. Alright. But at least one monster and then I could go back. Maybe if I go around. Aha!
No song.
What the? What the? What? Ay, 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 ay.
Play on Temmie.
Oh, I got 0 gold. Alright. Just gotta, look around or something. Just find if something. So I could get gold, so I could get that, collecting glasses and save. Because I'm thinking about around my stopping point. Yep. Alright, so let's look around silent so I could stay determined. That's how it goes, right? Okay. 20 gold. Alright, that's enough. Be right back. Okay. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna go save because this is where we're stopping. So, we finally reunited with Napstablook, and we got to see his new place. His place was amazing, by the way. And we almost got that. We almost died from Undyne. But seriously, she needs to understand that her name is gonna be a joke soon. I'm just saying. It's gonna happen, okay? So, yeah. But we will still promise and stay determined, alright? When there's a spark in the eye, it's always spark size. See ya. Oh, and also, I have some announcements for you guys. And it's for your decision only. Zago Sparkshite, or Zango for short, was deciding after the pacifist ending I'm gonna be doing, she's gonna be doing the genocide route. but she is needing to know if she wants to do it on live stream or just like cut off choppy videos. Alright, so it's your decision, and with the most votes wins. So either live stream or videos like the ones I'm doing right now. Thank you all, and goodbye.